all geared up. You got your bare feet, getting ready to go jump on the beach. Pretty excited?
Oh, hell yeah.
What are we gonna do?
We'll do barrel roll right off the plane.
We're gonna do some flips, yeah? Flips and tricks, man. You pretty excited about that?
Oh, hell yeah.
I didn't tell you the flips and tricks are $20 extra.
Really?
No, that's fine. Okay, so you got anything you want to say before we go?
All I gotta say is, Mom, hope I'm alive after this.
All right, big thumbs up. Son. All right, let's give a big thumbs up. Woo! Jumping with Paul and Chester, see up there. Woo! Check him out. Skydive? Yeah! All right, buddy, let's open the door. Woo!
See me now! Woo!
Sounds like a flip here, Paul.
I love them, man! You're the man, you're the man!
I am the man.
We are out here!
Yeah, man!
Woo!
Look at the camera, let's get a big thumbs up.
See you shortly! Oh, sorry about that.
Almost went for a ride. No, it wasn't your fault. Oh, we just did it, man. Jumped down the beach, did some flips and tricks. What was your favorite part?
The flips off the plane.
Flips! Ah! I didn't tell him the flips were $20 extra. Ah!
Oh, that scared the crap out of me.
All right, so you had a good time then?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's get a big thumbs up. Hey, jumping on the beach. Look, we're at the beach. It's nice.
And Justin,
This
you're
is
the
fun. Everybody knows who I am. See ya.